Hi, I'm Sandy from Lincolnshire Fen Crafts, and I'm just going to quickly show you how to thread your punch needle. When you get your punch needle, you'll see firstly there's 4 notches on here if it's an adjustable, running from A down to D. A will be the longest loop that you will use and D is the setting for the shortest. So to thread your punch needle, at the bottom, at the tip of the needle, you can see that it's actually open, and that is where we're going to put our thread through. But how to do that? So with your punch needle you may get a wire threader. It's usually got a little bit of paper at the end, and they are slightly longer than your needle. If you haven't got that, then just any thin wire will do. So you can use some floristry wire like I have here. So I've folded this floristry wire in half and you can see it's looped. You're going to pop that up through the open needle part until it pops out of the other side. And there you can see the loop. Take your thread or yarn and just push that through that open loop and then pull the end right through the punch needle until your yarn pops out of the end there. Now you can see there's actually another hole there, and you need to just pop your yarn through that. And there you go, your punch needle is ready to use.